We have officially started our fall season. The leaves are dropping. We're getting that nice fall, colder weather. We're busting out the jackets. It's bagging the leaves time. But for us, we're not gonna bag any leaves. We can't reveal it yet, but we're really excited. We're hoping to reveal it soon, and we're gonna be recording everything. We gotta cut out some parts, unfortunately, but we hope to be able to reveal more information later. Our kit that we personally have designed for our machines, allow us not to have to bag any leaves. So let's get to it.